For number 3, it says a solid glass paperweight consists of a hemisphere of diameter 6 centimeters on top of a cuboid with a square base of length 6 centimeters as shown in the diagram. It also says the height of the cuboid, x centimeters, is equal to the height of the hemisphere. All right? And in letter A, they want us to write down the value of x. Notice that x is the height of the cuboid. So the height of the cuboid is equal to the height of the hemisphere. Well, they also tell us up here that the hemisphere has a diameter of 6 centimeters. They didn't include that in the picture. So if I write that down, the diameter is 6 centimeters. Well, if we know anything about spheres, and we look here, the height of the sphere is going to be the radius of the sphere. And the radius is half of the diameter, so the radius is 3. The height of the hemisphere is 3, which means the height of the cuboid is 3 centimeters. No math work there, just really knowing your shapes and knowing their properties. Letter B says calculate the volume of the paperweight. Okay, definitely going to be doing some math here. So the paperweight consists of the cuboid, and the volume of a cuboid is length times width times height, but it also consists of this hemisphere. So we need to add the volume equation of a hemisphere. And if we look at our formula booklet, we don't have the volume of the equation of a hemisphere, but we do have the volume of the equation of a sphere. So we can divide this equation by 2. So we would do 4/3 pi r cubed divided by 2. So if we fill everything in our equation, v is going to equal 6 times 6 times 3 plus 4/3 pi, the radius again is 3, so it's 3 cubed divided by 2. We can type this all into our calculator at once. 6 times 6 times 3 plus alpha y equals, do it again, get the 4/3. Pretty complicated typing that in. But if we do it correctly, we should get an answer of about 165 centimeters cubed. Again, you can either write down the whole decimal or round to 3 sig figs. Okay, right before letter C, it says 1 centimeter cubed of glass has a mass of 2.56 grams. Letter C then says calculate the mass in grams of the paperweight. Pretty simple. Since we have the volume, we take that and multiply it by 2.56. We get 422.4 grams.